Hey kiddie friends! Jump into the fun world of Squishy Bounce, where kids will discover the secret lives of safari, farm, and zoo animals. In this playful adventure, you will learn amazing facts about animals from different habitats while having tons of squishy, bouncy fun. Meet safari animals like elephants, zebras, and lions. Learn how elephants use their trunks to drink water. Ready to roll! An intimate portrait of bear. There are around 180,000 to 2 lakh brown bears worldwide. Most of them live in Alaska, Canada, and Russia, where the brown bear can still roam vast areas almost unpopulated by human beings and covered in forest. Bear cubs are blind. Astounding tales of donkey. There are three main types of donkeys and domesticated. Wild donkeys typically grow to around 49 inches, 125 centimeters, from hoof to shoulder and weight around 551 pounds, 250 kilograms. Masters of camouflage and cunning leopard. Leopards are part of the Panthera genus, which also includes lions, tigers, and jaguars. Leopards are known for their distinctive golden yellow fur, covered in black spots and rosettes. Adult leopards vary in size, but on average they weigh between 50 to 90 kilograms. The amazing journeys of reindeer. They are native to the Arctic and subarctic regions of Europe, Asia, and North America. In North America, they are known as caribou. Both male and female reindeer grow antlers, making them unique among deer species. The antlers of males tend to be larger. A fascinating look into gorilla. There are two species of gorillas, the eastern gorilla and the western gorilla. Each species is further divided into two subspecies. The eastern gorilla is the mountain gorilla and the eastern lowland gorilla, while the western gorilla has the western lowland. Get ready for the bull edition. Bulls are known for their sometimes aggressive behavior, especially during mating season or when they feel threatened. In some cultures, bullfighting is a traditional sport, particularly in some agriculture settings. Bulls were historically used as draft animals. Quirks and charms of hamster. Hamsters have continuously growing in size and teeth, chewing on various objects, including food and specially designed chew toys. Helps them keep their teeth at a healthy length, while hamsters are primarily herbivorous. Chronicles and survival of tiger tail. Tigers are the largest cat species in the world, with the Siberian or Amur tiger being the largest subspecies, weighing up to 660 pounds, 300 kilograms. Tigers are apex predators, meaning they are at the top of the food chain in their ecosystems. Their roar can be heard up to 3 miles away, making it one of the loudest animal calls in the world. Exploring the enchanting world of zebras. Zebras are social animals that typically live in family groups called harems. Zebras are herbivores and mainly graze on grass. They have adapted to feed on a variety of grass species. Zebras are native to Africa and are found in various habitats. Understanding the story of sheep. A lamb is a young sheep that is less than 1 year old. Once a sheep reaches 1 year of age, it is referred to as a sheep. Sheep are found all over the world and are raised for various purposes in different climates and environments. Sheep have a good memory. The untold story of moose. Male moose have impressive antlers, which are the largest among any living deer species. Adult males, known as bulls, can weigh up to 1,500 pounds, 680 kg or more. While females, called cows, are generally smaller. They are primarily feeding on leaves. A deep dive into the alligators. Alligators belong to the family Alligatoridae and are divided into two species, the American alligator and the Chinese alligator. American alligators are primarily found in the southeastern United States, inhabiting freshwater environments. Navigating the unique lives of panda. Despite being classified as carnivores, pandas have a diet that is primarily herbivorous. Pandas are generally solitary animals, with adult males and females coming together primarily during the breeding season. Unraveling the mysteries of rames. These majestic animals are known for their impressive horns, dominant presence, and strong wild nature. Rames belong to the family Bovidae and are most commonly found in the wild, roaming the mountains and grassland of various regions around the world. Rames are not just male sheep, they are social, adaptable, and powerful animals with impressive horns. Untold tales of the Savanna-the lion. Lions are apex predators and primarily hunt large ungulates such as zebras, wild beasts, and buffalo. Lionesses are the primary hunters, using teamwork to bring down prey. Lions are known for their powerful roars, insights into the hippo adventure. Hippos are social beasts, hanging out in groups called schools, pods, or sieges. Schools of hippos usually consist of 10 to 30 members, including both females and males. Although some groups have as many as 200 individuals, no matter the size, the school is usually led by a dominant male. Get ready for elephant adventure. Elephants are known for their remarkable memory. Adult elephants can weigh anywhere from 4,500 to 11,000 kilograms. Both male and female African elephants typically have tusks, while only some male Asian elephants have them. Elephants are highly intelligent animals with complex emotions. The silent language of camel. Contrary to popular belief, a camel's hump is not filled with water. Instead, it stores fat, which can be converted into energy and water when needed. The hump shrinks and becomes flaccid as the camel uses up its fat stores. Camels are often associated with nomadic cultures. Appreciate your time to watching Squishy Bounce, exploring the secret lives of safari, farm and zoo animals episode. Subscribe now for this Squishy Bounce, exploring the secret lives of safari, farm and zoo animals is a playful and educational adventure where kids will learn all about animals in different habitats. Get ready to bounce into fun and exciting discoveries with your favorite creatures. Keep an eye out for the next buddy adventure. Until next time, young adventurers!